What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. My name is Bobby Roel, and what I do here is I show you my trade results on a day-to-day basis. Good, bad. I go ahead and I show you the whole picture, and then I analyze what I did and why I got the results that I did. Now, mostly, as I said, I do trades, and that's what I show on here with binary options. However, I also invest a little bit of crypto, and I also have some other entrepreneurial ventures. And then I will also share my story from time to time. So if that's something you're interested in, then like, comment, subscribe, and let's get to it, all right? And so, July 13th, 2021, I have been trading for less than 2 weeks now, and I just want to say that it is a lot harder than it looks, okay? So yesterday, I was excited because I traded on my own, and I went undefeated for the night. But as I went through the day-to-day, I just gotta say that I really got caught up in it. What I mean by that is rather than following my rules, which I go ahead and I have on my laptop background, I did not do any of that. I got excited, or either I would look like I was losing a trade and then I would take another one rather than sitting back and assessing what was going on. And if you ever traded before, you can tell that this is highly addictive, all right? Now, fortunately, this is my demo account. I'm not risking real money yet, and for good reason. But still, though, I want to trade it as if it is my real account, since the way I look at it, my mindset is if it works here, and then it will work in my real account. Either way, emotions that I trade with on this account are what I am going to bring to my real account. So I want to make sure that it is locked tight. I am ready to go, and I do not get caught up or emotional whether I win or lose any of my trades. All right. So let me go ahead and show you what my rules are, and let me go ahead and show you what I did. So here are my trading rules, which keep in mind I did not follow today. And so the rule's simpler. So here I went ahead, I created this on Canva, and what I put are my millionaire trading rules. So one is only trade 2% of my total account on my first trade. And so I did not do that. I was trading $10, which is more than that. I know $10 doesn't seem like a lot, but when I have like 350 in my account, it is more than that. I wanted to try trading 10, just see how it worked, experiment with that. Only risk 1 to 3% of my total account per trade. And so I think it was a little over 3%, maybe. But then, of course, I also went ahead on a lot of my trades and I got rollovers. So that also increased it to past 3%. Not to mention, I took multiple trades at once. And so literally there's probably close to 10% in a single time. And I do not want to have more than 5% in there at a time. And then here, do not trade after I lose or look like I'm going to lose. Well, I looked like I was going to lose and I went ahead and I took another one. Or I did lose and I went ahead and took another one rather than sitting back and analyzing the market. And then here it's stop trading for the day after losing 5% of my account. I think I lost about, demo account, keep in mind, I think I lost about 15 or 20%, which is, it's uncalled for and completely unnecessary. And then stop after winning 8%. I did not do that. Don't place more than 5 trades per session or 10 per day. And I think I know I did. I placed more than 10 trades in my sessions today. So as you can see, all that. Now let's go ahead and let's get into my results. Show you how many trades I won, how many I lost, how many I tied, and how much I made all together. So let's come in here. Here is the hourglass strategy, which I used some of the time, but then I was also trading with instructors as well. And some of them I still haven't quite figured out what strategy they're using or how to properly look at the charts and see what they're seeing yet. So that's something that I'll have to go back into the training and do on my own time at a later time. But here we go. So as you can see, here is yesterday, and yeah, I was winning. And today, here we are on July 13th, 2021. Boom. And so my very first trade today. So I did use my rule there, right? And yeah, that is, wait 1 second. Okay, yeah, so I did use that rule there, and I did win it. So look at that. And so, but this one, I used a minute. So one of the mistakes I made was not looking at the appropriate time. And then here we go again. And what I did is I lost, and I could use rollover, which I did not. So I was winning these two, but then what happened is it turned around, and yeah. And then I won these two. You can't see with my face. So let me see what I could do. So yeah, so those two good entries, boom. And then it was time to trade with an instructor. And I made the mistake of I did not listen to her. She got excited. She said, let's look at this trade. And then as she got excited, I was like, oh yeah, it's right where it needs to be. I didn't assess that. I didn't look at the charts that she was looking at. Because of that, I lost these two pretty significantly. One of them was more of I lost it. Well, I mean, this one I jumped into, and then this next one was okay. I still didn't get to the point that she said, and I still went ahead and entered it. And then these three here, I crushed them. I end up winning them, and I took my time and I listened to them. But then afterwards, I wanted to continue to trade some more, and so as my rule is, don't overtrade and stop after 5, or I lose 5% of my account. So I trade this, I lost. I trade this, I won. I trade this, and then I lost again. And then here are 3 more, and so I won them. So it's just kind of like back to back to back to back to back. And then as we come down here, and then I think this was an evening, and yeah, so this one I should have just stopped, but I wanted to get another one. And so that's on me. Yeah, and then the evening came, and it was 2-2 with a tie. And yeah, these two are just pretty much me. Just getting excited, not really paying attention to the market. And because of that, I end up losing. And then these two, I used rollover to go ahead and get more time, and I did trade with one of the IM Market Academy, Mastery Academy's instructors here to get these 2 wins. And then the last one was a tie. So overall, my record for today was 13 wins, 8 losses, and 2 ties. And since I used rollovers on my losses, I actually ended up losing a good amount of money, a lot more than I won, even though I won with trades. So just goes to show you kind of how it goes sometimes. And of course, the good thing is I wasn't trading half of my account, so I could still continue to trade. I could continue to develop my skills, because this is a long lifetime skill that is, it's going to pay you for a lifetime and stuff. So I'm going to continue to develop these. But like I said, I am going to show you the good, I am going to show you the bad, I am going to show you everything, right? And I'm going to be 100% transparent, even if sometimes I don't make the best choices. And so I said, week 2, and this is something that I'm going to continue to develop. And this is, yeah, I mean, it's fun. So if you like this content, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like it, and then dislike, comment what you didn't like, and don't subscribe, right? But hopefully you do like it. Hopefully you do comment. Hopefully you do subscribe. And I will go ahead and I will share more in future videos on this channel. So I appreciate you. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you in a future video. All right. Take care.